Hello everyone, I want to welcome y'all back to my kitchen. So today we're going to be making a ranch dressing from scratch. Perfect for salads, perfect for dipping, and in my opinion, making it from scratch is so much better than making it, pouring it out of the bottle. So let's get our ingredients together so we can get this dressing made. So before we continue, I publish new videos every Tuesday, so remember to like, share, and subscribe. Also, if you enable notifications, you'll be the first to know when new videos are published. Now let's get back to our recipe. For our ranch dressing, we're going to need the following: mayo, sour cream, milk, or if you want, you can use buttermilk, dried dill weed, parsley, chives, onion powder, garlic powder, salt, and some fresh lemon juice. So let's get our dressing prepared. Alright, so the first thing that we need to do is we need to add our milk, our sour cream, and our mayo. Get all that in there. I'm going to set that right there. And trying not to make a mess, we are going to mix this all up. And so far I'm doing pretty good. Alright, so to this we are going to add in our dill weed. Give that a mix. What am I looking for? This is here we go. Then we're going to add in our parsley, our chives, garlic powder, onion powder, and our salt. Get this all mixed up. And then we're going to add in our lemon juice. I'm starting with 1 tablespoon, and if I find it's not enough, we can always add more. And so ideally, we would want to let this set up in the fridge for about an hour before using it. So we're going to give this a quick taste test. Perfect, just the way it is. And we are going to drizzle this over some cucumbers and tomatoes. And we are done. Oh my God, this is so good. I don't think I'm ever going to use bottled ranch again. So I hope everyone enjoyed the video. New videos are posted every Tuesday. And remember, be nice, be kind, because you may make somebody's day. And until next time, enjoy cooking in the kitchen.